Hi guys, this is Monique from HCG Today is July 19th, 2011. Tomorrow makes 1 month that I've been on the HCG diet. So I just wanted to give an update today of exactly how it's been going for me. I've only lost 10 pounds. Now, in 1 month, it's great to lose 10 pounds. That's the healthy way to do it. But I am on a supplement which promises that you lose at least a pound a day, which means in a month I should have been at least 20 pounds, maybe more. But the diet, the 500 calories a day diet, it has been excruciatingly difficult to keep to that diet. So I definitely know that that is where my downfall is. Like I tell everybody, do not try to diet in the summer when you're going to all these parties and all the temptation is around you, especially someone like me who loves to go out and have a drink every now and then. I have a child in my house. If she's eating something, I'm snacking on it too. It's just extremely difficult. But my eating habits have definitely changed. There are a lot more vegetables. There's much less juice and no fast food anymore. So I'm happy. I'm very, very happy that I did come on this diet because it has helped me to change my eating habits a whole lot more. And I think that once I finish the protocol, I will actually be able to continue to lose weight based on the lifestyle that I have now started to live. I've included exercise a little bit more in my regimen, and as I said, my eating habits are great. I'm actually looking forward to getting off the HCG so I can incorporate more vegetables than they allow, like corn. I love roasting corn now, and carrots. They don't allow carrots and green beans. You've seen me say a million times that I love my green beans. But yeah, I've cut out juices a lot. I've even tried to cut back on my shakes because I like to make fruit shakes. My favorite fruit shake has papaya, mango, banana, and pineapples, and milk and honey. So that's a whole lot of sugar. So I've had to cut down on that. But I feel great because I've lost a bunch of inches as well with the 10 pounds, and I'm trying on clothes now and I feel so good. It's definitely motivating to continue to keep going. I actually just bought some things from Forever 21. I bought some things from their plus size line, and let me tell you, none of them fit. So I've been having to try and get sales for them because they're way too big on me. So next time I do have a few little funds, I'm gonna try and get some size large items and see, because I hate being in between. Like, some large items are too tight, but if I go to 1+1 or whatever they call it, it's way too big. Like the Forever 21 things they're way too big for me. So I'm gonna sell those if I can because they're all brand new. But it's been an amazing journey, and I definitely think that this is a lifestyle change for me, and I'm very happy. This is my bottle of water that holds 32 ounces of water, and I try to drink 2 of that every day. So that gives me the 8 glasses of water that is recommended. Well, the HCG people would prefer me drink a whole gallon of water every day. I cannot drink 4 of these bottles, but I do get my 8 glasses in every day. I drink 2 of those bottles at least. I'm having much more apples. I've never really liked American apples, but that's what the diet calls for, between American apples and strawberries. And I've cut out strawberries because strawberries alone are no good. I need some sugar on them or some chocolate. So I've just been really relying on the apples to snack on instead of cookies or some other fattening thing, and it's been going great. So what I'm going to try to do is to put up some before and after pictures so that you can get to see what 10 pounds difference looks like. But as I said, it's kind of disappointing that I've not lost 20 pounds as yet, but I know I'll get there. I've started to incorporate the exercise. I just started probably 3 days ago. So hopefully this week I will have lost another 5, and then I can say, oh, I lost 15 pounds. But that's where I'm heading. I'm very, very, very happy with the changes that have come so far. So there you go. That's my update for 1 month on the plan.